Hello, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe.
In the heart of Japan's serene landscapes, where cherry blossoms whisper ancient stories, there is a sculptor's estate, an ethereal realm where art, beautiful plaster statues find their home. Welcome to a virtual walk through the sculptor's utopia, a journey where the harmony of quiet music and the artful stories of the statues converge. As you embark on this enchanting virtual walk, imagine yourself wandering through secluded corners adorned with plaster statues, each one a masterpiece exquisitely placed in the embrace of nature. What secrets lurk in the folds of these sculptures, and what stories do they tell at the sculptor's estate? Our journey will take us to the Sculptor's studio, a sacred place where dreams take the form of art, beautiful plaster statues. The whispered stories of each creation echo throughout the studio, inviting us to reflect on the inspiration that breathed life into these marble marvels. Like silent storytellers, these statues invite us to participate in a skillful dialogue between human creativity and the enchanting landscapes of Japan. The virtual tour reveals not only the physical presence of these sculptures, but also the emotions and narratives carved into their plaster forms. As we take a virtual stroll through the artistic tapestry of Japan, one wonders if these statues are simply beautiful creations or emissaries of a deeper, untold narrative. The sculptor's estate, surrounded by the whispers of nature, adds another layer to the mystery. Calm music becomes the backdrop to our journey, the peaceful melody heightening the senses and transporting us to a realm where stories are woven into the very fabric of the landscape. A gentle whisper reminiscent of ASMR leads us through the tales, creating an immersive experience that transcends the ordinary. A virtual walk through the sculptor's utopia encourages us to think not only about the art, the beautiful plaster statues, but also about the symbiotic relationship between the sculptors, their creations, and the serene landscapes of Japan. It is an exploration of narratives that transcend physicality, inviting us to fall asleep to the rhythmic cadence of stories told in whispers. At the conclusion of our journey, the statues, shrouded in the soft glow of mystery, leave us with a final question. What dreams and stories would these statues share if they could speak? The sculptor's estate with its skillful creations becomes a haven for contemplation, a place where the boundaries between reality and dreams carved in plaster are erased into an enigmatic tapestry of artistic expression.